Bati love là. Oh, regarde ça pantalon.
Oui, que ça n'est que ça.
Pantalon qu'a jeté la terre.
Il va aller le tout.
Oui.
Yo, this is gonna be a wild fight.
C'est OK.
Dude.
Hey, monsieur prêt. Ça nous passe à Allen Boy, monsieur prêt. Hey.
Hey.
Ball love là.
Pas bon 2 secondes là.
Yeah, ball love là.
C'est tombé plateau.
No, I mean where Charleston Park.
She's going at it. It's going at it, bro. Is this the one that won though? No, one of us. Oh. Yep.
Hey yo, bro, they going at it, man. God, they going introduction. You can beat. Yo, go back up fit line.
So, do you think if Charleston wins tonight, do you think he challenges the other brother?
I think so.
Okay.
Well, they were.
Hey yo, if Charleston win tonight, do you think he's gonna challenge the other brother? So, si Charleston White gagne, est-ce qu'on pense qu'il peut aller l'autre frère pour le battre avec? En parlant parce que dès que ça c'est Marassa yo. Ça c'est un frère, si Charleston gagne monsieur.
Est-ce qu'il a brûlé l'autre frère?
Il normalement l'autre frère. Eh bien car il a c'est tous des frères besoin comme. Donc ça de compte gaspiller un pile comme deux. Il a rasé là.
Et ben on va gagner back.
Yeah, là ouais, c'est Denros qui a un petit chance pour faire un petit cob là.
And in the red corner.
Uh-oh. Here we go.
Charleston White.
Hey, Charleston White coming.
Clap it up for Unc, man. Look at Unc.
Hey, clap it up for my dog. That's my dog coming. Clap it up for Unc.
Look at him.
Hey, look at Unc, man.
J'ai avini bien son, bien classé.
Yeah, Unc gotta get guided to the ring.
Monsieur. Oh, I move away.
S'il baisse de le bloquer.
Yo te de ouvert bah là pour jouer à
They will leave it to
Look at that swag on that. Look at that swag.
Yeah, what's on the back of your robe?
Hey, yo, look at the swag. Got James up swag là pour rentrer dans match là.
A rat?
It says it's a snitch. It's like a rat and a snitch thing.
Oh, he
smacked it.
Oh.
Il s'est back dans souffler.
Anti socle.
Il passe là. Hein? Oui, il s'est capé la garde, mais il fout l'autre à banque. Hey, là,
Allez.
La chauffé. Let's go, Unc.
Uh-oh.
Hey.
Oh, look at me smiling.
J'ai dit, Unc, yo, you can't be doing that. Unc, what can apparaître l'eau fait pour l'eau pas battre la soufflette, man. Propose.
Au cas tout éliminé.
Peut-être battre à commencer, man. Unc.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event. Yo, main match là pour commencer là, the main event. Au cabo là, va vite juste.
Oui, bon. Light weight. It's lightweight.
Lightweight là pour quoi? Mais des boulots qu'on chute.
And in the red corner, wearing the white trunks with the black trim, Charleston!
Hey yo, we got Charleston. Got busy, monsieur.
It's funny, bro. It's just whatever you do funny.
Hey yo, this dude funny, man. Whatever you do funny. Keep on time you say fair, son petit comique, man.
Oh, let's fucking go.
Let's happen go. On allait, on fout aller. Va le faire comme ça, léché.
Taylor in the corner. I like to see it. Let's go.
Let's go, on allait.
Why you think the island's winning? Oh, I love you.
J'ai dit, I love you. Moi, mon cher, of course. Il est qu'à faire comme là. Hein?
I love you. I love you.
Oh, ou t'as quitté ma film au Cap Gou même faire comme ben. I love you. I love you too, man. Hein? I love it, man.
You got this shit. Let's fucking go. And we go out tonight.
Hey, you got it. Go, au café, man, on allait.
Hey, party bottles on me.
Ah oui, ça nous peut le fêter, man. Toute bouteille, yo, m'a pété, tout c'est sous moi, m'a payé pour tout.
man, y'all gotta let me hang with Unc, bro.
No
He
problem.
cool as fuck.
I mean, I never met him. I always wanted to meet him, bro, so I can get there, bro. Come on. He remind me of my uncle.
Mais ça bon spaghetti là.
Bon
Comment dit
spaghetti, hein.
l'estomac papita?
Oui.
Yo ti bail ça toujours? L'estomac papita, regardez. Hey.
Man, all the way in South Georgia,
Y'a
dog.
pas non petit bail, puis tout la virée ton compte tout pis.
No. If they do, Unc
Hey, yo foot nèg yo libéré. Hein?
Il va le virer ton compte tout pis.
Il fait one.
Why he bring his twin with him? How come his twin in his corner?
He didn't want to come.
Hey yo, why he didn't bring his twin with him, man? Why his twin ain't be at his corner? He ain't wanna come. Yo, puis ça fait ici à bas là, man. Il dit fait ici à Levin.
Motherfucker here, bro.
No, we can't. Come on, fuck it.
Hey yo,
Just like crouch. Yep.
and I live.
Come on, Unc. Come on, Unc.
Wait.
What?
Hey, no there.
Come on, Unc. Come on, Unc. Come on, Unc. Come on, Unc.
Ma photo good damn for you. Got it, coach.
I'm trying.
Ma dinosaure, oui? Ma bon coup de dinosaure,
Get to him, Unc. Loosen
Get
up,
to
Unc.
him.
Loosen up, Unc.
Ma bon coup de dinosaure.
It's a 48-year-old.
Hey,
Oui. Oh,
Ma football down too. Hey,
il est entraîné au match, hein,
Unc doing UFC.
la game for you, give him la game.
Fuck this animosity.
Hey yo. Hey. Galè ak ba ou kout dan.
Il va un petit bail.
De la pen ou de yo. Ouais, de la pen yo. Il galè passe biso.
Il y a un temps, hein.
Hey,
Il prend le jaune, là.
let's go up. Let's go up. Let's go up.
No, he good.
Hey. Hey.
Oh, he getting out the way. He getting out the
By the
way.
way. Hey. Hey, we say go hard, dude. You well heavy. You say well heavy, man. Let's go, man. Got this fucking football, bro.
Oh, you saw that? He was in the uppercut.
Old school. Come on.
Hey, man.
I like this old school.
Oh, you like the old school.
Old school. Old school.
Stay in there, Unc. Stay in there, Unc.
Stand there, Unc. Allez, Unc. Rete, Unc. And back.
I'm throwing straight.
Ooh!
Foot to there. Come on, man. Shit. What put
I'm
to
having
that?
fun in there. He not moving his feet.
Oh, he ain't even moved. He just stood there.
Yeah.
Let's go, Unc.
Let's go.
Good jab, Unc.
Good job.
Straight up in his neck.
Straight down the bite.
Come on,
I'm having fun in there. Oh.
Unc's nice with it. He's just a little old.
He not moving.
You don't need to.
Unc like, hey, bro, just come to me, bro. I'm just gonna rest. Look at him. I'ma chill. I'ma chill.
Oh!
Fatigué. Unc dit
Come with it. Ooh.
They put that down. Model.
You got, hey, 50 seconds, Unc.
50
50
seconds.
seconds.
50 seconds.
50 seconds.
50 secondes qui rete.
I can't believe this is really happening.
I can't do this shit either.
Hey, I can't believe this happening. No. Maka kwe sa prive la gunya la. Yo.
Just one more time.
Oh.
Hey!
Let him fly, Unc. Let him fly.
God damn it.
Okay, got 2 minutes to fly, bro.
20 seconds.
20 seconds, Unc. Let him fly. Win the round.
Win the round, Unc.
10 seconds.
Let's go, Unc. Win the
Let's
round.
go,
10
Unc.
seconds.
Let's go, Unc. Let's go.
So who won round one?
That's a close. That's a close.
Round one finish.
one.
Guess again, round one.
Oh, Chad, who won? That one? I don't know who won that one.
I
Hey,
think 1-0 Unc.
again, sir.
Yeah.
Premier round
Chad,
again.
who won?
Oui. Ici, on belle coup. Ici, il y a 2-3 petits coups de poing.
Oui, il baille du travail. Hi. Mr. Bavé. Mr. Bavé, man. Mr. Bavé. You see Bavé là?
Oui.
Oui. Mr. Gade, vite prom. Vite prom.
Qui a-t-il marié, monsieur ça? Fini game là. Fini game.
Yeah, souffle d'eau, shit. Il dit souffle d'eau.
Let's a fait souffle.
Let's fucking go.
Hey, Unc is gassed. He's really gassed.
No way.
Yeah.
He's really bad. He's trying to hide it, but I can see it.
Unc is gassed.
No.
Yeah. He's smoking blunts and shit.
I know. And he just went drinking last night.
He went drinking last night?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know.
Get in the
And he has one eye.
He does have one eye, which is surprising that he won round 1.
I know.
Yeah, he won. Yeah, I think he won.
So does one eye really like a disadvantage?
Yeah, for sure. You can't see like some punches, like wide punches. So that-
Tu peux me suivre?
that is smart.
Il va le voir.
Bye, bonsoir.
He knocked him.
Habite là pour monsieur. D'après ta théâtre. Il a dit levé chez. Comme là beaucoup fait.
Il voulait courir.
Comme là beaucoup fait. Mais let's go. C'est fatigué, le gars.
Oh
bon.
Okay.
Il va courir à le coucher à terre.
Damn, he about to beat him. Don't hit him.
Do not get DQ. Hold him for about 15 seconds.
Like he was wearing it.
Oh, regardez, je vais fini. Je vais
Let's go.
On time, boy.
He tired.
I'm tired. I'm fatigué, man. Let's go up. Let's go up. Boom. On se va là.
Un normal bon nec là.
Take your time, Unc.
Take your time. Prends son shit. Allez, faut dire.
Pop out. Is that possible?
We could. I don't know.
Je vois c'est le pompe, monsieur. Il aime pas. Faut ton bail. Ou pas dire rien, même pencher. Et aime ça, team, pour.
Bal ti mouvement Mike là. Modèle besoin.
He's tired, bro.
C'est fatigué, soufflé en l'air, man.
Bal ti ba Mike là, man.
Is this where age comes in?
Yeah, age come in.
Aïe.
Yeah.
See, I don't see why the island boy ain't taking advantage of that.
What, like his eye or the age?
Both. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I'm strong.
Yeah, I'm getting tired. Yeah.
I'm tired, huh?
Oh, he purposely threw it out?
Par contre, côté pour là.
You okay, Unc? It's okay, 1 minute.
Hey, yo, it's okay, man. Faut que tu aies 2 jours, c'est le bénéto.
Ba yo ba l'église.
Passer dans portion liée.
Oui.
Pour yeah, man.
At this point, I take my eyeball out and throw it at him.
Hey, yo, at this point, man, I take my eyeball and throw it at him. Si moi et Charleston White, man, t'as pris un jet pas bon, me retirer le voile là, j'aimerais si la tomber.
You got this, Unc.
This is surprising, bro. Like, Unc holding his own, though.
I know, he is.
Yo.
He's 48 years old.
Unc 48, 48 ans, again. Ça pas l'argent, man. Unc cap filmé la brève, il a bousé toute la session.
Oui.
Et là, aïe. C'est pas là.
I don't like that.
Oh, ouais. Let's go,
On continue ba.
Let's go, Let's go, Aïe. Oui, bon souffler, bon bail. Oui, bon souffler. Il prend.
30 seconds.
Il prend.
On dit t'as mauvais contrôle.
Let's go out. Alain Boy dit, oh, c'est quand vous mangez, baby. Quand vous food, you like food.
Mde di ou pat vin prim. Ou vin prim,
He's giving up.
manje ou.
He's giving up.
Manje bon figo.
Ain't no timeout. Ain't no
Ale bo di tama mese, mbaka pa bon fon ti kampe mwen tama, bon ti tama. Yo di pa gen tama, ba zi batal vit batal.
Ain't no timeout. Ain't no timeout.
Ese kampe pisi la, mse ap mande fon ti kampe lman de tama.
Minute lan bako fini lan man de tama.
Bal pe souf bas.
Ain't no time out of boxing.
E di e no time in the boxing, no pa ka boxing pa gen tama bas.
He quit.
Mse di e bebe te bde yo, mse ba. Yo di yo, he quit. He quit.
Come on, man.
Se di mette bde yo, mse, pou di nou mette bde yo.
Avec kobe.
Wey! Charleston gen yon. Charleston. E sa ou djou gen pa yere ya.
Kat fiki se. Mse so fò le grame, men.